The following is a description of the group layer. Before start, let's clear the previous link condition. So, there are three types of the group layers: stacked, multi-domain, and color filter. To create a stacked group layer is very simple. Just choose the layers and then click the right mouse button and select the stacked group. The selected layers are contained under the stacked group layer. To undo, click Ungroup. And let's create a color filter group layer. In the layer DB, there is a RGB color filter. Please drag and drop the color filter layers into the stack list. And then choose the color filter layers and click color filter group. In this case, let's modify the name as color filter. In the properties, there is a color filter type and a ratio condition. Color filter type means the CFID. Please remember to match the color filter ID respectively. If it is not defined, you can see that the default is white. Therefore, do not forget to set the CFID properly because the color result is calculated differently. So in this case, I will change it as red, green, and blue. Also, you can set the area ratio of each color filter. As shown in this figure, let's place a color filter under the top glass. So everything is done. Save this file and then click Run button. You cannot check the information about the color filter right now. Just change the whole properties and you can check it. That's right. So please click the Continue button. In this case, a color filter is added, so let's analyze the color result. Please click the Color tab. When you click the Set Color, you can define the number of gray level and gamma value. If red, green, and blue cells have the same grayscale information, please enter the level and gamma values. If not, you can select the predefined gamma curve in the TechWiz DB. In this example, we will use the default values. And choose the reference of the operating range. In this case, let's select by transmittance, and the range is from 0 to 100. And then select the color filter type between RGB and RGBW. I will use RGBW. And then click OK. For the display type, let's select transmissive and select theta and phi values as variable. And click plot. You can select the particular color and particular viewing angle. Also, you can choose 2-degree or 10-degree color matching function. Select RGB model and CIE coordinate system. The reference coordinates change according to the user-defined information. Also, XYZ data table shows the low data of large X, Y, Z for viewing angles. And CIE data table means the low data of selected CIE coordinate system for viewing angles. And please click the data extraction. There are 4 types: color difference, color gamut, color temperature, and color contour. The color temperature is only activated for the RGBW color analysis. And select the output type between a polar chart and graph. As an example, I will show you the polar chart result of the color difference. Let's move on to the next tab, Gamma tab. In this tab, the level voltage is calculated by each gray level. Please click Set Gamma. It is quite similar with the Set Color. You can define the number of gray level and gamma value, and set the reference of the operating range. I will select by transmittance, and the range is from 0 to 100. And then also it is possible to calculate the image file applying the gamma properties. I will use the image file provided by TechWiz DB. Please take a look at the path, and then I will use this file, sRGB 800 by 600, and click OK. It takes a long time to calculate according to the OR viewing angles, so just check the result for the theta as variable and phi is 45 degrees, and then click plot. Total 3 results appear. You can see the level voltage graph, gamma shift graph, and image result. We set the theta as variable and phi is only 45 degrees. So just by clicking the particular theta degrees, you can check the calculated image for that viewing angle. And when you click the level voltage graph, you can see the calculated level voltage. And let's click the gamma shift graph. It shows the calculated gamma curve for each viewing angle. The reference of the gamma curve is front. So until now, we confirmed the results by adding a color filter.